Hi, in this video I will be showing you two problems from the practice exam. Solve for x 4 plus ln of x plus 2 equal to 2. First we'll isolate the ln term by subtracting 4 on either side. So we get ln of x plus 2 equal to negative 2. Here either you can convert this ln logarithmic form to exponent form, or you can raise both to the exponent e, or e to the exponent ln of x plus 2 equal to e to the exponent negative 2. As e and ln are inverse functions, e and ln will cancel out. So we get x plus 2 equal to e to the negative 2. Or if you subtract 2 on both sides, you get x equal to e to the negative 2 minus 2. If you look up your calculator for this value, this will be negative 1.8646, or it's approximately negative 1.86, approximating to 2 decimal places. Next, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 5. Kareem deposited $4,000 into an account with 4.7% interest compounded quarterly. Assuming that no withdrawals are made, how much will he have in the account after 7 years? So we are going to be using a formula for compound interest, which is amount equal to principal P times 1 plus R for rate of interest over n, number of interest periods in a year, to the power n times t. T denotes the number of years in the account. So in the numbers given in the problems are 4,000, which is P, principal, 4.7% is the interest rate, which is converted to decimal is 4.7 divided by 100, which is 0.047. It says compounded quarterly. So quarterly denote the number of interest periods in a year is 4. Then number of years is 7 years, which is t. T value is 7. So using the formula, we get amount equal to 4,000 times 1 plus 0.047 divided by n, which is equal to 4, to the power n times t, which is 4 times 7. So we get 4,000 times 1 plus 0.047 divided by 4 in your calculator is 0.01175 to the power 4 times 7, which is 28. That is 4,000 times 1.01175 to the power 28. So if you look up your calculator for this value, it will be $5547.66154. As it denotes dollar, it makes sense to decimal it for 2 decimal places. So the amount after 7 years would be 5547.66. Hope these 2 videos help.